Hi, first graders. We have been working on our chair card sound, which says air. Air, what does it say? Today is Thursday, and we have two more phonics PowerPoints about our chair card. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with some word building. Let's sound out this word first. We have air. The whole word is tear. Change t to w. Think. Say the word is wear. Change W to P. Think. Say the word is pear. Now, this kind of a pear is the pear that you eat, the fruit. Change P to B. Think. Say the word is bear. What's the word? Change EAR to AR. Think. Say the word is bar. What's the word? Change AR to ARE. Think. Say the word is bear. What's the word? Change B to C. Think. Say the word is care. What's the word? Change C to F. Think. Say the word is fare. Now, this kind of fare is like money you pay. So if you get on an airplane, you would pay an airfare. And this kind of fare means that it's equal. So everybody has a fair chance. So fare, change F to FL. Think. Say the word is flare. What's the word? Change FL to GL. Think. Say the word is glare. Change GL to SC. Think. Say the word is scare. What's the word? Change SC to SH. Think. Say the word is share. Change SH to SP. Think. Say the word is spare. What's the word? Change SP to ST. Think. Say the word is stare. What's the word? Change ARE to AR. Think. Say the word is star. So by adding that E at the end, our star card, our R sound becomes air card, the chair card, and our air sound. So we went from stare to star. Change AR to AIR. Think. Say the word is stare. Now this is like a stair that you walk up, and this is like I'm staring at you, your eyes. Okay. Stare, change ST to P. Think. Say the word is pair. Now this kind of pair is a pair of pants, a pair of scissors, a pair of glasses, two. Okay. Change P to H. Think. Say, and the word is hair. Nice job. Bling words this week are number words. The first word we have is 7. What's the word? Spell it. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Next word is 10. What's the word? Spell it. T-E-N. Next word is 8. What's the word? E. John. Next word is 9. What's the word? Spell it. And last word is 2. What's the word? spell it? T-W-O. Make sure that when you're talking about the number 2, you're spelling it T-W-O. We also have T-O, which is a place next to, going to, and we have T-O-O, which means also or. Okay, so when we have an R-controlled vowel, we usually divide after the syllable with the R-controlled vowel. So we have the word dairy. So we have one vowel team, A-I-R, and then Y is its own vowel. So we have dare, E. Okay, same thing here. So we have bear, and then we split it there, and then Lee. So we have A-R-E, which is our R-controlled vowel, and then we have Y. So each syllable needs to have a vowel or a vowel team. So we have prepare. If you clap it, it goes prepare. So we split it after pre. Because the word pre ends in a vowel, it is going to say the long E sound, so we have pre. E is the vowel in this syllable. Then we have pair. A-R-E, that's two vowels, and one of them is an R controlled, but because they work as a team and make one sound, they can all be in the same syllable. Let's try market. What's the word? Clap it. Market. Okay, same thing. Mark has R, and then et has ET or E. Okay, try dirty. What's the word? Clap it. Dirty. So we have dir, and IR is our vowel team, and then T and the Y makes the E sound, so that is our vowel. Last one, let's try turkey. What's the word? Split it up. Turkey. So we have our R controlled vowel right here, UR, that works as a team, so it can be in the same syllable. And then we have EY, both of those are vowels as well, but since they make one sound, they can be in the same syllable. All right, the story we're reading today is called The Bears Prepare a Feast. What's it called? Okay, so we have the word bears, which has EAR, which is our chair card. We also have this word right here, which is aware, and it has ARE, which is our chair card. Here's the word bears again. Then this word we have declared. So the E is going to say its name because it's in the first syllable. And then we have clared, and it has ARE, which is our chair card as well. Let's go ahead and read this together. Ready? Read. It was late in fall, and the bears were aware that it was time to give thanks. The bears declared that it was their favorite time of year. Okay, next page. Once again, we have bears, which has EAR spelling. Then we have a pre-pair. So pre is the first syllable, and that means before, our prefix. Then we have bear. And then here's bears and swear, EAR. And here's bears one more time. Then we have pears, and this is the kind of pear that is a fruit. That's what they're eating up here. Let's go ahead and read together. Ready? Read. The bears still had a few days to prepare. Mama bear and Papa bear went to find food. They made the two young bears swear that they would help too. While Mama and Papa were gone, the young bears looked for food by their home. They found 3 pears and split each pear in 2. All right, next page. Same words. We have pear. Oh, sorry. Bear. and prepare and wear and care and share. So anything that ends in air is actually going to rhyme. So wear, care, and share all are rhyming words. Let's read it together. Ready? And read. Mama and Papa came home with a few shrimp and some corn. They also got a surprise for the young bears. It was a big fish. Mama said, "Go scrub your paws and wear your best shirts. Papa and I will prepare the food with care. Then we will sit and share." Okay, last page. Once again, we have the word bears a few times here. And we have the word share. Let's read together. Ready? Read. The bears sat down for their feast. The bears felt so grateful. The young bears stared at the food with wonder. They wanted to eat it all up. Papa said, "First, let's say thanks. Then we can share this feast." Great. So remember that an adverb is a word that describes how an action takes place. So if we have this guy, he's a turtle, and he is walking. How might a turtle walk? How might a turtle walk? What's a word you might use to describe a turtle walking? The word that first comes to my mind is slowly. So if you were using a sentence, you might say, "The turtle walked," and my verb is walked. That's my action word. That's what he's doing. Then I want to use my adverb. So the turtle walked, and I thought slowly was a good word to use. And then I might want to say where he's going. Down the street. Okay, so when we use adverbs, a lot of the time they're going to end in ly. Slowly, neatly, softly, loudly, quickly. A lot of the time they end in ly. Let's look at some more sentences. You find the adverbs. Okay, Mom said I should quickly change my shirt. My verb is change. So how does Mom want you to change? The correct answer is quickly. So change quickly. Okay, next sentence. I slowly looked in the dresser. We are looking. How are we looking? The correct answer is slowly. You looked slowly. Next one. I found a neatly folded shirt. So we're talking about the folded shirt, and how is it folded? It is folded neatly. Last one. I gladly wear green on St. Patrick's Day. You wear it, and how do you wear it? You wear it gladly. Okay, tomorrow is Friday, so come back for one more day of our chair card to help you review for your spelling and comprehension test. Bye.